Hi there, awesome English learner. Do you want to speak English fluently and sound more natural when talking about your daily life? Want to describe what you do, what you like, or where you live without confusion? Then this video is just for you. In this video, we are going to unlock the magic of the present tense, the secret sauce of everyday English. And guess what? By the end of this video, you won't just understand the present tense, you'll be using it like a pro. We've packed this lesson with stories, games, speaking practice, and mini challenges to keep you smiling and learning the whole way through. So grab your notebook or open a blank page on your device and let's dive in. What is the present tense? The present tense is all about what is happening now, or things that are always true. Let's break it down like this. We use the present simple to talk about habits. For example, I brush my teeth every morning. Facts. For example, the sun rises in the east. And routines. For example, they go to school at 8 o'clock. This is the form of simple present tense. Subject plus base verb. Add s or es at the end of the verb for subject he, she, or it. This is how you form simple present tense. For pronouns I, you, we, they, the verb will be play. For he, she, and it, the verb will be plays. Watch out for that little s. It loves to show up when we talk about he, she, or it. It's story time. Let's meet Sam, a cheerful guy with a simple life. Every morning, Sam wakes up at 7. He brushes his teeth. He eats toast and drinks coffee. Then he walks to work. He works at a bookstore. He likes books. He helps customers and reads in his free time. Sam's life is a perfect example of the present tense. Everything he does regularly is in the present simple. This is a mini challenge for you. Can you describe your morning routine using the present tense? Say it aloud or write it in the comments below. Let's look at the rules one more time with examples. For I, you, we, they, for example, I eat an apple. You eat an apple. We eat an apple. They eat an apple. Let's go to the second example. I read a book. You read a book. We read a book. They read a book. For he, she, and it, he eats an apple. She eats an apple. It eats an apple. Second example, he reads a book. She reads a book. It reads a book. Remember, add s or es for pronouns he, she, and it. For example, plays, goes, and watches. Add es for verbs ends in ch, sh, s, x, or o. For example, washes, fixes, and goes. Let's talk negatives. What if Sam does not like toast? He says,
I don't like toast.
this is how to make a negative sentence. Subject plus don't or doesn't plus base verb. For I, you, we, they, we use don't. For he, she, and it, we use doesn't. For example, I don't eat vegetables. She doesn't drink milk. And they don't play tennis. Let's move into a quick quiz. Change the sentences into negative. Number 1. He doesn't play football. Number 2. We don't eat meat. Number 3. She doesn't watch TV. Want to ask questions in present tense? It's easy. Just use do or does. We use do for I, you, we, they. And we use does for he, she, and it. For example, do you like pizza? Does he play football? Do they live in London? Listen and repeat after me. Do you speak English? Does she like chocolate? Do they go to school? Good job. This is the rule. The verb must stay in the base form. It's game time. Match the questions to the answers. Let's practice with music and rhythm. I play, you play, we all play. Hey, she plays, he plays all day. We don't stop, we do our best. Present tense, now pass the test. I play, you play, we all play. Hey, she plays, he plays all day. We don't stop, we do our best. Present tense, now pass the test. Now, say these sentences after me. I go to school. She drinks tea. They don't like cheese. Does he play guitar? Next, say it again, but faster this time. Okay, time to test what you have learned. Ready? Let's go! Number 1. She goes to work by bike. Number 2. I don't eat fish. Number 3. Do you like chocolate? Number 4. They watch cartoons every Sunday. And number 5. He doesn't play video games. Wow! Look at you go! You have spent 10 minutes mastering the present tense and you did amazing. Remember, use present simple for habits, routines, and facts. Add s for he, she, and it. Use do or does for questions. And use don't or doesn't for negatives. Now, we have come to the end of this video. Please practice every day. Watch this video again if you need a refresher. And try describing your day in present tense in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a fun lesson. See you next time on Easy English with E, where learning is always fun and simple. Bye for now!